Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on chance. Chance is a very interesting topic in mathematics. Another name for chance is probability. Many events happen each day that involve chance. Some examples are: we often talk about the chance that it will rain today. We may wonder about the chance of winning the grand final. We may wonder about the chance of doing well in the next test. Let's look at a very simple example. Consider a coin. One of the simplest examples we can use to demonstrate how chance works is by using a coin. The above is an example of an old coin containing a head on one side. The other side we designate as a tail, irrespective of the picture. So we have a head here and a tail there. If we toss this coin in the air, there are only two possibilities that can occur. It can land on a head or a tail. The chance of a coin landing on a head is 1 in 2. The chance of a coin landing on a tail is 1 in 2. Each event is equally likely, and this is how we write it. pH equals a half. That is, the probability that a head will show up equals a half. The probability that a tail will show up equals a half. Chance can also be written as a percentage. So the probability that a head will show up is 50%, and the probability that a tail will show up is also 50%. Chance can also be written as a decimal. The probability of a head showing up is 0.5. The probability of a tail showing up is 0.5. Here's another simple example using what we call a spinner. So this thing, we spin it around and it starts twirling and it's going to land on one of those three colours. So if we spin the arrow, the probability of landing on a red is 1 over 3, because the red is exactly 1/3 of the area of the full circle. The probability of landing on a green is 1 over 3, and the probability of landing on a yellow is 1 over 3. Now, here are some questions for us to consider. Consider the numbers from 1 to 40. If these numbers are placed on separate cards, face down on a table, pick one card, answer the following questions. So I'll leave this slide on for a few minutes, and then on the next slide, I'll go to that, and we'll have the answers there, and we'll leave that on for a minute or so, and then that'll be the end of the lesson.